Hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production.
Holy reggae, soul fire reggae.
Salmon. We're gonna cook some nice salmon today, right? You wanna see what I have? Beauty piece of salmon. Really beautiful piece of salmon. Okay, so we got the onions. Okay, yes, and then we have a piece of pumpkin. See pumpkin? Beautiful piece of pumpkin, right? So do remember, Papa George Kitchen is gonna make a nice little menu today. You know, it's not a big cooking today. You know, so we have all the thing cut up already inside of it. We can look and see. So beautiful that look. Yeah, beautiful, ready to go. And yes, we have a little oil here. The oil here. Yeah, vegetable oil. See? Yeah. So now we're gonna get started. Okay. All right. Now the pot is right here. Now we gonna turn it on. Turn it on. Yes. And then this is the pot we're gonna put the food in. It's on already, getting hot for me. Yes, getting hot already. See? I keep on getting hot, baby. I got you. Once you're hot, you just simmer that, right? Papa George Kitchen say that. So this is the amount of oil you're supposed to throw inside this pot. Don't throw too much oil now, because we're not working with too much oil, okay? That's good enough. That's all the amount of oil you need. You don't need too much oil inside the pot. Okay? Make sure the oil inside the pot, all over inside it. Make sure oil there. Nice. Nice. Nice, right? Alright, so remember the salmon. So beautifully salmon look? Yes. Salmon is looking so beautiful, ready to go in the pot. Oh God, I can't wait until I'm ready to eat this already. I can't eat it that raw now. I don't eat raw food. I'm gonna cook it first, right? So everything is right here, as I told you already. This is the food we're gonna eat today. You know, not too much hard food. This is a soft kind of food we're gonna do today, right? Anyways, I will be back with you in 1 second. Maybe you're wondering why I can't see Papa George's face. Papa George have the working the camera meantime cooking today, right? Alright, so I'm gonna work it out and I'm gonna make sure I come back to you guys. Just give me 1 minute, okay? Okay, I'll be back.
Hear me now. This is a soul fire production.
Okay, my beautiful people, Papa George come again, right? So remember the food that I show you, all of that ingredients to show you, like the potato, you know, all of that, sweet potato and plantain, you understand? So you gotta wash it. Make sure you, when you do your food, you do it properly, okay? You gotta wash it properly. Wash it properly. Don't, make sure, you know, food gotta wash properly. Yeah. So wash your food properly. Yes, sir. Wash it. Throw up that water. Yeah. Throw up that water. Good. Okay, I'm ready to go in that pot. See the pot ready, bubbling up ready? Ready to go in that pot. Now, you're gonna put all of that inside that boiling water. All of that in that boiling water. Yes, bubble. That's what they say in Jamaica. It a bubble. The pot a bubble, sir. Yeah.
Hear me now. This is a soul fire production.
Fully reggae, soul fire reggae.
Okay, my people, I'm back again. You see the salmon now? Oh, it's looking beautiful right now. Yeah, all the ingredients inside of it. You have the onion, tomato, sweet pepper, piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. You know, you got all the ingredients inside of it ready to go. So do remember, when you put up all that ingredients, you know, you gotta make sure everything is uniform in the pot. You know, ready to stir them around a little bit. You know, and I got a little secret to tell you. You gotta use a little ketchup, baby. See ketchup right here? Put in a little water, turn them around. Yeah, and then you're gonna put them all around inside there. Yeah, this is the ketchup. Great Jamaican ketchup. Right. What you're gonna do now, just leave it, make it simmer down. Simmer down, okay? When it just simmer down, the pot is getting hotter. Right? Everybody gonna love this style, you know? Everybody gonna love this style. I say, Papa George, you're wicked and wild, and you're well versatile, and you cannot spoil. We use the coconut oil. Okay? Alright, so beautiful that look. Carrot, simmer down everything inside of that. Okay, look at the food pot now. Turn it up. Turn it up. Alright. So I'll be back in 1 second to you guys and show you how Papa George do the Jamaican style kind of salmon cooking, you know, with a little food. Don't take, take too much to feed yourself. You see what I mean? Everybody just do subscribing. Just remember my channel, hit the notification bell, and say, well, Papa George Kitchen come again. Just don't forget me. I ain't never forgot you, okay? Hit the subscribe. Ready. It's a Papa George Kitchen. You are bad no rasta foot. Alright. Well, you know, you can't just do a show and don't make a little one joke, you know? Just don't curse no bad word in your show. People never recognize it. You gotta do your food with love. Yes. Look how that thing's bubbling, man. Look how beautiful that looks. Alright, so Papa George Kitchen will be back. Just to remember, subscribe me, hit the notification bell, and so well. Okay? Respect. This is Papa George Salmon. Now I wonder where the salmon, there was salmon in the middle of the plate. Salmon gone at the bottom of the plate, boss. This is the salmon plate. Papa George Kitchen. Subscribe and so hit the notification bell and just so well. Papa George Kitchen come again. Jesus Christmas. What a food look good. No, what a food look good. No, sir. Go on, Papa George. Do remember the avocado on the side, alright? Do not forget the avocado. This food ain't gonna taste right without you have some avocado on the side, okay? Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell. And say well.
I'm in a spoiled children. But you me pray to the Almighty One. You know me pray to the Almighty One. Bless my family, bless my family, bless everybody in the society. Bless my family, bless my family. Hey, Ribbity Bang come, Ribbity Bang stand. And Papa George Kitchen come back again. And Papa George Kitchen come back again. We ready to tell them say I'm DJ legend. We ready to tell them and I'm gonna spoil the people